Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today we're going to make roasted cauliflower soup. So I'm a soup girl. I eat soup year round, but in the wintertime, it's a huge staple in our house and we make it once a week. This soup is gonna combine some roasted cauliflower, garlic, and some onion to create a warm, delicious meal that everyone in your family is going to love. Let's get started. So to start, you're gonna just start laying your cauliflower out on a cookie sheet with your garlic and your onions. And you can go ahead and sprinkle it in. It doesn't have to be perfect for this part. And once everything is laid out, you're gonna go ahead and brush it with some olive oil, salt and pepper, flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. So the only thing you do wanna watch out for is you wanna make sure that none of your vegetables overlap so that they all cook up evenly. Once you have your olive oil and salt and pepper on both sides, go ahead and put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 425. Once everything's roasted up really nicely, go ahead and combine it in your blender with some vegetable broth. If you have a smaller blender, go ahead and do this in 2 batches. Once you have everything blended, go ahead and add it to a Dutch oven or a large pot and set the flame on low. Then you're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of milk. If you're vegan and you wanna keep this soup vegan, you can go ahead and use a milk substitute that you're used to. Unsweetened, unflavored almond milk will work great, or coconut milk would work well too. Once your soup has simmered for about an hour, you're gonna go ahead and add in fresh dill right before you serve. It's as simple as that.